Hello, this video is to show you how to generate the Caterese export for use in creating the all other pack list cover sheets. So we're going to be starting today in Caterese, and from this left-hand ribbon, you're going to be wanting to select an event items query. This is going to bring up a dialog box. You want to make sure that items without totals and items without quantities are both checked. And additionally, you want to make sure that you have definite unchecked from this drop-down menu because those are the events that we want to be pulling up. As far as your dates are concerned, I want to be creating pack lists for Tuesday through the following Monday, which means that I'm going to set my dates for Wednesday through Tuesday. The reason being that we do pack one day in advance of delivery. And so if I want to create the pack list for Tuesday through Monday, I want to generate packing sheets for Wednesday through Tuesday delivery. So I have my date set here from the 10th through the 16th, and then I'm going to click OK. This is initially going to run a base query that isn't going to have any of the information that we want. So we're going to come up here to layout, and then we're going to scroll down until we find Galaxy Export, and we're going to click on that. This is going to run the exact layout that you want. And then anywhere down here in this base query screen, you can go ahead and right click and then hover over export data and click on Excel spreadsheet. From here, you want to make sure that you have include grid formatting selected as well as use native format, and then click OK. I suggest having somewhere on your computer, specifically in your U drive, that you can easily save these exports. The reason being that in Caterese, you cannot save to any pinned or shortcutted folders. And so I just have this folder created for this purpose. I have this export already created, but this is the naming scheme that I'm using. You can use whatever works for you. I'm going to go ahead and overwrite this one just to make sure it's the most recent, and I'm going to click OK. Now, from here, I want to go ahead and open this file. Now, when these are pulled out of Caterese, you are going to see that it does have this error message in it, and that is because numbers are pulled out of Caterese as text strings instead of numbers. But an easy way to fix this is just to select all the data in this column, and this error message will still stay up, and you can click on it, which produces a drop-down menu, and then you can convert to number. You now have a usable export that you can use to generate the cover sheets out of the Galaxy document workbook, and I will show you how to use this in the next video.